In the architectural world, there's innovators and leaders and there's followers. As much as I regret saying that there's architects who are not champions or have not been champions for sustainability, the public now is. You see it in our civic politics, and there's a real shift to what conservative Calgary is demanding. To keep the project as environmentally friendly as possible, I think you want to understand what the building has to do to exist, and then what are the ways that it can exist within the Calgary context that cause the least impact on the environmental system. We do a really thorough analysis of what the client is trying to achieve, what the client's vision is if they already have that vision in place, or we help them realize their vision for what they're trying to achieve with the building. Most of the staff in our office are LEED accredited professionals, which means they write the exams that allow them to practice as LEED professionals. And through that process, and people are really always aware of what's new and what's viable and what's important. And so, whereas we used to order carpets from Georgia, now we want to use carpets that are made in Calgary. And not only is that healthy from a transportation perspective and an environmental perspective, it's also healthy from an economic perspective because it encourages local industry again. Where local industry for a long time would die because it could be made cheaper in the Philippines, now cheaper is not necessarily the most important. What's most important is all of these things related to LEED and related to sustainability, which is going to bring back local industry as well. I think if we don't bother with sustainability, I think we're going to die. It's as simple as that. It may not be in my lifetime that we'll die, but civilization will die if we cannot figure out how to work with this planet and no longer rape and pillage the way we have been for centuries. Buildings are amongst the greatest users of energy, and buildings are a great place to start to try and change the tipping point.